Alrighty guys, we are at the Disrupt M LA BMW M meet. Got a beautiful M2 right here, followed by a Valencia orange BMW 1M. Super rare car, you don't really see these too often. Pretty rare like the GTS and the Lime Rock. I think they only made a couple hundred of these, so it's pretty cool to see one in the wild. There's so many cars guys, there's so many M's out here, and can't wait to show you guys, so hope you guys do enjoy the video. Let's go check out some of the cars. We got the homie Enrique with this beautiful G80 M3. Another G80 M3 satin black. It's very nice. Look at that engine bay. Super clean. M4 coupe, Yasmarina blue. Super clean. Look at that engine bay. Beautiful E92 M3. Beautiful F80 M3. Beautiful E92 M3. G80 M3. We got my M4 GTS, of course. We're parked up next to this beautiful G82 gray with the red interior. Got the full Downstar kit. Look at that engine bay cover. On the BBS LMRs, my favorite wheel from BBS, other than the FIRs, the LMRs would be my second option. We got the homie Matt's clean E36 M3. Another G80, a G82 Kith edition. That's pretty rare. You don't see that. So if you guys don't know, BMW and Kith, they collabed and they came out with this M4, and I believe they came out with it in different colors as well. And then it's got like Kith embedded in the seats with like the crazy stitching. It says Kith everywhere. Pretty limited edition car. And then as you see, it says Kith right there. Check this out, guys. BMW G82. This is like the GT4, I think it is. It's crazy. M4 GT3 all over the GTS. That shit is crazy. Look how wide it is. Holy shit. Check that out. Look at that, guys. That is wild. We got the BMW XM. Look at that. Check that out, guys. Crazy. It's got the gold accents on it, wheels. Guys, this is like the Cullinan of BMWs right here. This is crazy. Look at the rear end and look at the exhaust tips. XM. Brand new from BMW. Sick. This one's wrapped like a satin black, which looks really good. We've got the beautiful F90 M5 CS. Actually, I would consider this as one of my next cars. I love the M5, especially a CS special edition model. Pretty cool. We've got another M5. We've got another M5. Pretty cool. Wrapped in like red. It's pretty cool. Got some old school Beamers right here. Super slammed and dumped. They look good. That's a clean E92 M3 right there. Very nice. And another E92 M3. That's clean. Mineral white with the red interior. That's a nice combination right there. That's a clean E92 M3. Very nice. Sheesh. That's a nice M4 right there. LCI headlights with the yellow. Got the bronze wheels, comp wheels. It's very nice. Got the GTS wing up there. E90 M3, very clean. Okay. Got the Mercedes. I think he's at the wrong meet today. G82, got the 5 Series. Guys, there's just so many cars today. So many G80s. Pretty cool. E46 M3, M4. Just too many cars. E46 M3 Verts, very clean. F80 M3 CS, M4, M3, it's just super clean. E92 M3, E92 M3, E92 M3, E92 M3. Homie Amir's beautiful frozen white G80 M3, clean G82 with the front canards, aggressive lip. G82, very nice, like a Miami blue color. Beautiful G80 M3 satin black. BMW i8, which you don't really see too often, honestly. They're pretty rare. The i8s, Z3s, so many cars, guys. E46 M3, E90 M3. This is a nice color. But yeah, guys, a lot of good cars out today. A lot of M's, a lot of G80s, E9X, and FX. We've got the McLaren 765 LT. This thing is badass. And it's got a cage. No way. Got the orange pin striping around. Brake calipers, the bolts. Shit is fire. Look at the seats on this thing. Oh my god. Carbon hood. Beautiful. We got the Lamborghini Urus. We saw this actually on the freeway when we were driving over here. That's a clean M4 on the BBS's. Yasmarina blue. Very nice. Check this out, guys. So they got all the kits. If you need anything, it's pretty dope. They got towels. They got cleaning products. They got a bunch of stuff. They got like all the pressure stuff. If you want to wash your own car, little vacuums, little guns to put the soap in. They got a bunch of stuff. Revive your leather, clean your leather, a lot of stuff. Check that out. They got like all the towels, different materials, but they have really good towels. I like their towels. I think it's that one over there. It's pretty good. So you get the feel for the towels. I like this orange one right here. This is like the best towel right here.
I like that.
Yeah, for real, right? Sheesh, look at the 7 Series. Damn! Look at the E36. Sheesh. We got the homie Frank's beautiful M8 Grand Coupe. The owner of Downstar. He's got the full Downstar kit on his engine bay. Insane. Looks so freaking good. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful M8 Grand Coupe. Got a clean F80 M3 Yas Marina blue. F90 M5, it's like a champagne color, got the HREs on it. Frozen blue G80 M3, very nice. We've got a clean Austin yellow M4 with the carbon ceramic brakes, pretty clean. Let's check it out. It's got the OLED style taillights, it's pretty sick. Got it E93 335 Yas Marina blue, that's pretty sick. We've got the X5M and that Donington gray, very nice color. Clean M4, look at that rear end. Got the wing on there, all the south tail lights. Rich! Park right here where the Mercedes is. Park where the Benz is. The homie Noe, you guys know him with the chrome E92 M3. He brought his son's M2 comp out. Just super clean, very nice. Sheesh! Clean M6 Grand Coupe right there. It's like a satin gray. Shit is clean with the red accents. Hard. Guys, just look how crazy this car is. All the aerodynamics in this thing. The one windshield wiper, the interior completely gutted.
All right, we're gonna get started with our first raffle. If you don't have a ticket, don't worry. We're gonna be doing raffles every 45 minutes.
It's crazy.
So, first up, let me
check out the rear though. This is dope.
So we have 726016. 726016. If that's your ticket, make your way to the front.
Steering wheel too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's crazy.
Going
very
once.
Clean.
Going twice. 726.
It's clean E46 M3. This thing is insane. Check that out, guys. Shit is insane, guys. Look how wide this car is. This is a clean E46 M3. I forget the name of the color, but it's super nice. That's a clean M2 CS right here. You don't really see the M2 CSs too often, but very nice. Clean G82 right there on the LMRs. Wow, that is clean. Got the 1 Series wide body. Sheesh. Got the row of Beamers. Clean 335. Sheesh. Sick E46 M3. Nope. E90 M3. What's up, bro? What's cracking? E93 M3. Very clean on the comp wheels. M4. Very clean. There's a lot of Yas Marina blues today, guys. Yeah, I just noticed that, guys. Carbon fiber, look at that. Whoa, that's a crazy F80 with the orange stripes. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Oh, it's a CS. All the homies with us. I'm about to go get some lunch. It's a good day, good meat. Sheesh.